Hey guys, welcome to class. I want to go over a couple things with you to make sure you guys get the right information and you're all set. So, if you look in the class feed, you're going to find out a really important message. It's going to tell you how your semester grade is going to be made. Your Unit 1 assessment from quarter 1 covers communication standards and academic standards. You already got that grade. Now, Zello is a whole standard all by itself. Make sure you get all of that done. Your Unit 2 assessment, which you're getting to today, is going to cover two standards, academic standards and problem solving. Now, you're going to be like, Peterson, what the heck? What am I doing? In Zello. So you're going to log into Zello. All right, guys, now that we're in Zello, I'm going to show you what you need to have done. You need to have all these green check marks and these two completed. If these two are completed, this will say 40%. So in Zello again, all of these are green check marks. These two are checked as well. If you have them all done, guess what? You get an A. Then double check to make sure that your heart has your saved careers because you're going to need them for the project Unit 2 assessment that you're getting right now. All right, now if you look on today's post for your class, you will see two supporting documents. One is occupational assessment vocabulary, so they're words that you might come across that you might not know what they are. So it gave you the word and the definition. And the other document that I gave you is the Academy Pathways names and the pathway names. You can also find them in your classwork. So I reposted them again for you. All right, let's get to work. Let's look at your projects. So it's my occupational presentation. Put your name on here in what black. All right, let's get to it. So your slides are all set for you. The directions are in a yellow box on the right. Inside the yellow box tells you what to do. So on this slide, you're going to put your top two careers, whatever you think you might want to be. But remember, please do not pick professional athlete, and please do not pick nanny or housewife. And you're going to put a picture of each of them. Then you're going to move on to the next slide. All of this is going to be about your career one, your first choice. Describe work duties, work conditions, and salary. And you're going to be like, dude, where am I going to find all that stuff? Oh, guys, that's right. You're going to find it in Zello. So I want you to click on the job. Let's just say, okay, graphic designer. All right. Now, in graphic designer, when you open it up first, look at that. It tells you the salary range. What college is needed or education is needed for that. Oh, look at that. Job description. Exactly what they're asking for. Oh, workplace. Things I have to do. And working conditions. Everything is right there. Oh, and earnings. Everything is right there. First slide, one career. Now we go to the next slide, slide 4. Education needed for this career. Please find and list the education needed, whether it's college or tech school. Find one college or school and put their logo on here. You can be like, what am I doing? Don't worry, Zello's gotcha. Education and training. Now down here, these are different degrees that you can get at a school that will allow you to be a graphic designer. So I'm just going to pick graphic designer. Remember to save it so you can find it later. Okay, now if you look here, it tells you the different types of achievements that you can get. You can get a certification, associate's degree, bachelor's degree, and a graduate degree in graphic design. Gives you a brief description, gives you related careers, and this is the important part. It tells you the colleges. Now, if you're like, I want to stay in Wisconsin. Okay, Wisconsin has 3. And you're like, no, I want to go to California. All right. So it tells you the different levels of school certifications, degrees that you can get. And it tells you what schools offer it. So let's just say Bakersfield. I want to go there. Make sure you save it. And it tells you all about the school. So it might take you a few minutes to look at all the schools to see where you think you might want to go. And guys, make sure you save the one that you think you might want to go to because it's going to help you on another assignment. Tells you about how big the school is. And look at this. The location. Where is that school located? The phone number and the web address. I think I need that for the slide. All right, let's look at the next slide. Slide 5. The why. Paragraph form, please. 3 to 5 sentences. Explain why you're interested in that occupation. Why did you pick it? The next slide, pathway and academy. Where do you think it fits? Again, use that resource that I gave you in the stream of Google Classroom. Or if you're really stuck because it doesn't look to line up, then save it and ask me tomorrow. All right, slide 7, career 2. This is where you do the exact same thing that you did for career 1. Same thing again. Same thing again. Same thing again. So you're doing the exact same thing for career 2. Now, going back to career 1, please label, tell me what your career 1 is. Now I want you to find a company that you could work for. So if I wanted to be an animator and I want to work for Pixar, so I'm going to put my career was animator and then my job company would be Pixar. Then I'm going to Google search that company, find the company's address, web address, and company logo. It could be anywhere in the whole world that you think you might want to work for. If you're thinking about going into the medical field and you're like, well, I want to be a doctor. Okay, well, where? What city? Look at the hospitals that are in that city. Do you want to work with kids? Then you might be looking at like Children's Hospital in Milwaukee. So I want you to do a little research. Slide 2, guess what? Same thing for career 2. All right, I've added a couple bonus slides for you overachievers. Bonus slide 1. I want you to tell me one of the related careers for each career. And then give me the title of the job and then maybe find a picture of that job. And you could be like, related careers, where did I find it? Guess what, guys? It's right there in Zello again. It says related careers when you pick your career. It's in 2 different places. Similar careers is the same as related careers. It's right there. And then it's on the bottom. And I'm not going to show you that one. You guys can find it. But again, it's right here. Related careers. The other bonus slide. Bonus slide. What is one of your neutral habits? Tell me what it is. This is all from last week's lesson. Tell me one of the 7 habits that we talked about last week. Tell me one. And then guess what, guys? Remember to turn it in. You are done. It's that simple. Now you have the rest of class to work on it. I will be in class tomorrow, so you can ask me more questions then. And it will be due at finals. So you either have me on a Tuesday or you have me on Thursday. Good luck. Oh, and P.S. You can email me any questions that you have, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.